You won't believe this, but you just have to do the layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3 to get the most stunning smoky eye. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily use the 3-layer method to create any stunning smoky eye. So if you're ready, let's begin. For today's smoky eye technique, I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario Master Matte palette, which by the way was sold out in Sephora every time I tried to buy it. And I finally got my hands on it last week. For the 3-layer method, you just have to choose 3 eyeshadow shades, including 1 black eyeshadow and any other 2 shades. Today I'm going to be sticking with cooler tones. So I'm going to be using cooler shades of brown, one darker brown and the other lighter brown. But first, let's start with the black eyeshadow for the first layer, which will be closest to your lash line. I'm going to pick that eyeshadow with a definer brush and I'm going to smudge it very close to my lash lines, both top as well as bottom. And while I do so, I'm also going to pull out a small wing in the outer corner. The brush that I'm using is the Laura Geller flat eyeliner brush. Because this brush is flat and tapered, it's very easy to use it at the lash line and also to smudge it to give that smoky effect. Keep adding more eyeshadow till you're happy with the intensity. For the second layer, I'm going to dip into this darker shade of cool brown with a flat, fluffy brush. I'm saturating my entire lid with it, and while I do so, I'm layering over the black eyeshadow as well that we used close to the lash line so they blend in together. For this, I'm using the LH Cosmetics 304 brush. Make sure to soften the edges so it blends in with the third layer. Just like we did with the lid, I'm going to add the second layer to my lower lash line as well using a flat definer brush from Real Techniques. And for the third and final layer, I'm taking the lighter brown eyeshadow. With a blending brush, I'm using the Carity E31 brush. I'm going to use it at the crease to blend and soften the second layer. Now you can see that beautiful ombre of shades deepest at the lash line, and as it moves upward and outward towards the third layer, it melts into the skin. Nice thing about these eyeshadows are they are so buttery and they blend like a dream. And of course, with another small definer brush, I'm going to add the third layer to my lower lash line by smoking it out, and the third layer in my lower lash line will be the bottommost layer. That's pretty much it, my friends. Your smoky eye is done with the 3 layers. Using the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist pencil in black, I'm going to tightline. And you can see how sultry that looks. Let's finish up with some mascara. I'm going to be using the Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. I absolutely love the consistency of this. It's very smooth and it doesn't clump up my lashes. You're welcome to use false lashes if you prefer. I think it'll look absolutely stunning. But I wanted to keep this tutorial as beginner friendly as possible, so I'm going to stop at mascara. And here's your completed stunning 3-layer smoky eye. You can create this by using a black eyeshadow as your first layer and then any combinations of eyeshadows over that. My personal favorites are neutrals, blue and purple, and greens. And of course, if it's a special occasion, I also like muted golds and browns. Let's finish up this look with a beautiful lipstick. But before that, I'm going to line the border of my lips. And as always, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Precision Eyebrow Pencil in Bangin' Brunette to line my lips. I like to smudge it before I use the lipstick. So that way it can blend beautifully into the lipstick without leaving harsh edges. And for lipstick, I'm using the Urban Decay Liquid Lip Color in Law of Attraction. The stunning lip shade is moderately warm toned, medium dark brown with a cream finish. It looks absolutely stunning. And here is the completed look. Let me know what you think by commenting below. And I'd love for you to try it and tag me. My social handles are listed in the description box below. And I've also listed all the products used in today's tutorial. And I believe right now Sephora is having one of their biggest spring sales if you plan to purchase any of these products. I love you guys so much. And I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.